Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power and connection mode. Make sure the Crusher Evo has at least a 50% charge and is powered on. That prevents interruptions. If you plan Bluetooth, verify your PC has a working Bluetooth adapter and turn PC Bluetooth on. If wired, grab a good USB-C to USB-A or 3.5 cable and plug one end into the headphones. Once done, set the Crusher into pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED flashes, so the PC can find it. You now perform the main connection steps. For Bluetooth, open your PC's Bluetooth settings, click Add Device and select Skullcandy Crusher Evo from the list. Allow pairing and accept any prompts. For wired, plug in the cable and go to Sound Settings to choose Crusher Evo as output and input if applicable. Select USB audio for digital or the analog line for 3.5 Make sure drivers are current. If Windows doesn't pick it, install the headphone or Bluetooth adapter driver so audio routes correctly. You finish by confirming settings and testing. Set the Crusher Evo as your default playback and communication device in Sound Settings, then play a test clip and speak into the mic to verify input. Adjust volume, equalizer, and sound enhancements in the control panel so bass and Crusher features behave as expected. If something fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on, remove and repair the device, try a different USB port or cable, and reboot the PC. Those steps resolve most connection and driver hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.